Hey everybody, Bolt Picker here. I'm going to be doing a video showing you how to decode a TSA luggage lock. And as you can see, the combination set to 000. I'm going to go ahead and scramble the combination to something that I do not know. Make sure they're all on a gate. Alright, I'm going to be connecting it to this lock right here so that I can have something to leverage off of. So you can see that the old combination does not work. 000. So what you're going to be doing is the shackle, this part right here. You want to pull on that, put some tension on it, and rotate your disc. Find the disc with the least resistance. And that one is going to be the bottom one. So what I'm going to be doing while applying pulling on this, applying a tension, rotating this disc, rotating each disc until I fall on a number that has a lot of play in it. I think I actually just found it. It's either 9 or 8. I think it's 9. I'll go with 6, sorry. So then you go to the next one, do the same thing. Not sure if I have the bottom one right. Yeah, okay. So that's going to be 5. I think I have the first 2. So then all you have to do is go through the third one until it opens. That was the combination. 4, 5, 9. They're all pretty easy, usually about the same. But that's how you do it. Thanks.